Hello and welcome to the team meeting for August 29th, 2025. For the agenda today, we will be discussing how to build a resume, how to create a cover letter, and examples of what a resume and cover letter look like. For a resume is a brief document that summarizes your education, employment history, and experiences that are relevant to your qualifications for a particular job for which you are applying. The things that are consisted in the resumes are your contact information, the education that you have. This can go from high school to college to trade school, the skills that you might have, past job experiences, community service, which includes your involvement projects through AmeriCorps, and certifications. Also, right here is a link. I would suggest using OWL, Purdue OWL. This is a great way for you to get examples and how-tos for resume buildings, as well as for your cover letter. For your cover letter, this is technically a one-page, single-spaced letter. It can be a few paragraphs. This is just for you to talk about yourself, and you want to make it as transparent to whatever position you are looking to apply for, telling them why you are the best candidate for the job. For the cover letter, there are criterias, which include the one-page single-spaced, 1-inch margins, text font should match your resume, should follow business letter formats such as block format, modified block, and semi-block. Again, below is the link to the Purdue OWL. I highly suggest looking up that in order to help you with the cover letters and resumes. And for examples, on both sides, you can see on the left, there is an example of your resume. You can see up top, you have your information, your contact information, including email, phone number, and your address. You have your experiences right here. Through experiences, you can use AmeriCorps as one of them. And you want to make it so that whatever position you are looking to do is going to reflect on the experiences that you have. So let's say that you want to become a teacher, you might want to use your AmeriCorps summer position as an example, rather than, let's say, you working over at a retail store like Lowe's. For education, you're going to put it right down below. Like I said, you can use high school if you've only gone to high school. You can use college degrees as they show right here, trade schools. This is where you're going to put your education. Skills, you can have it below. I usually have it above, but these are little skills that you might have that will pertain to whatever position that you are applying for. And then right over here is a cover letter. Like I said, you want to, it's a one-page paper discussing who you are and why you would be a great candidate for whatever position that you are applying for. If you need assistance with this, like I said, I would use Purdue OWL. That is a great tool, and I know a lot of colleges tell you to use that as well for other papers that you might have to write. But that is all for the team meetings, and I hope you all have a great weekend.